Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having a part 2 of my previous video on how to make a calculator on thunkable.com. So before we start coding, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to never miss out any new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. We had done this much of the design, but now we need a label to show the answer, right? So now in the user interface, you see label, drag and drop it under the there. You can see label. Now we rename it. I'm going to rename it as answer. In the text, I'm going to write nothing. And I'm going to set the font size to 25. Now you're done with the complete design. Now we click on blocks for the coding. So now to do the code, you just click on add. When add click, here we click on answer. From answer, set text to, click on math. Take the addition operator. Next we click on number 1. From number 1 get text. We select the block. Control C and V. Do the same. There we go. And now we need to do the same for subtraction, multiplication and division. So now we click and select it there. Control C and V. When subtract click. So it's a subtract. When multiplication, I choose the multiplication operator. When division, I choose the division operator. So now I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on select clean up blocks. So when you do clean up blocks, it cleans it up like in the row. So now we're going to test it. We click on again design and click on preview. Do not click on the live test as it does not work properly. We need to click on preview. So now I enter number 1. I'm just entering as a 2 and 2. Now add 4. Correct answer. Subtract 0. Correct answer. Multiply 4 and divide 1. As you can see, it's all correct, but you can see the background color isn't that good. So now we click on the background screen. Background color, I'm going to keep it as a light purple. You can keep it as any color you want. Now we have a colorful background screen and we have a beautiful calculator. So hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, try this app out and have fun coding. See you all next time. Goodbye.